Guys, this is Sir Chris. This video is for Movers 2 class. For both Movers 2 class. For Movers 2D class, Martha, Sharon, Chelsea, this video is for Wednesday. For Wednesday, the date if Wednesday is March 25th, yeah. March 25th. If for Movers 2A, Vincent's class, this video is for you, Movers 2A class. You do it on March 27th, on Friday. As usual, before we start, have you done the previous exercise? Have you done or not? If you haven't done, skip this video first and then click the link below. I already insert the link. Please you do it first. After you have done, do this exercise that I am going to give to you as soon as possible. Do it first before it starts to be piling up, menumpuk, because you have also schoolwork or school tests. If already, let's see for today's exercise. For today's exercise, I will give you free grammar exercise. It means that I don't give you exercise from book, but you can use your book. You can look at your book as example, as guidance, panduan. The first section is for object pronouns. The second is relative pronouns. What is object pronouns? Maybe you already forgot. Nah, actually we have discussed about object pronouns. See, I becomes me, you becomes you, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it, they becomes them, we becomes us. We already discussed nih. See the example. The object of a sentence can be replaced by a pronoun. Ya, objek sebuah kalimat bisa digantikan dengan pronoun. Can you get some milk from the fridge? Some milk. Some milk is a thing, right? And then we change into it. Because for food or drink, if singular, if only one, we use it. If I say, can you get burgers? Can you get burgers? Burgers becomes what? Burgers. More than one loh. Burgers becomes them. Yeah. If he, if not one, not he lah. For example what ya? For example I. For example I cannot do this homework. Becomes what? I cannot do this homework. Please help. Help me. Easy ya. Nah, the second part, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are who and which. If who for people and which for things. Look at the example. This is the boy. He didn't put the lid on. Becomes this is the boy who didn't put the lid on. If we combine the sentence, boy is person, right? Boy is a person, orang. So we change into who. And then pay attention, he in the sentence, in the second sentence, we change into who. Okay? Yeah. This one looks okay. Yeah. Who we change, sorry, he we change into who. Second example, this is the smoothie, it was in the blender. Smoothie is a drink. Yeah. Drink we change into it. Okay. And then this is the smoothie because smoothie is a thing. We change it into which. This is the smoothie which was in the blender. Not this is the smoothie which it was in the blender. That's wrong. For the first example also, if you answer this is the boy who he didn't put the lid on, that's wrong. Because he, we already changed into who. Understand ya? Okay, see the exercise. First part is for object pronouns. Please you answer using me, you, us, them, him, her, or it, using object pronouns. Oh yeah, for this exercise, please you do it in a piece of paper, selembar kertas, yeah. Or if you want to do it on your notebook, that's okay, yeah. Notebook or paper, and then after you have done, you capture your work and then you share to my WhatsApp number. Number 1 until number 5, object pronouns. You can pause this video if you want to do it. Yeah, you watch all. Yeah, you watch this video until finish first, and then after you have watched this video until finish, you can rewind, and then you can pause. You can pause on this minute because you have to answer, right? You have to answer. Just write the answer. Yeah, just write the answer. You don't have to write the questions. For example, number 1, you look exhausted. May I help? Nah, you just answer me, you, us, them, him, her, or it. You don't have to write the questions. Okay. For the first part is only 5 numbers. The second part is relative pronouns. Please answer using who or which. Also 5 parts. See ya, 5 numbers. You can rewind after you have done part 1. Please move forward into part 2. Easy loh. Nah, for part 3, relative pronouns second part, you have to combine the sentences into one using who or which. See the example. I saw a doctor. The doctor is a Japanese. I saw a doctor. A doctor is a person. So the doctor we change into who. Same with example that I have explained from your class book earlier. Like this is the smoothie. Yeah, earlier that I have shared to you in this video. Same like this. I saw a doctor. The doctor we change because doctor is a person, we change into who. I saw a doctor who is a Japanese. Understand? For numbers, number 6 until number 9. I read a novel, the novel is very thick. I read a novel, and then the novel you change into what? Yeah, who or which? You know lah. Number 6 until number 9. Write only the answer again. So there are 3 parts, yeah? 3 parts. The first part is object pronoun. The second and third part are for relative pronouns. As usual, if you have done, please capture your work to my WhatsApp number. If you haven't done the previous exercise, please you do the previous exercise first. There have been 2 exercises though. The previous exercise there have been 2. Plus this one, 3 exercises. Until when you want to delay to do all the exercises? Huh? Until the coronavirus is cured. If you haven't done the previous exercise, do those two exercises first, and then after you have done, as soon as possible, do this exercise, and then capture all your work to me, to my WhatsApp number. Okay, guys, thank you for listening and watching. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. See you guys.